Hey everybody, welcome to another video. I have my sidekicks here to help me out. Cena's here, Wyatt's here too. You can't really see him yet, but he's here. And we are kicking off another What I Wore video. So it is Sunday morning and I am pretty casual today and in very comfy clothes, because I am getting myself and my family organized for me to be out of town again. I'm leaving super early in the morning tomorrow for another business trip. So I'll be gone all week for work. Wyatt behave. Wyatt's getting rowdy. Cena was sleeping in with my son, so he hasn't seen her for a little while. Anyway, yeah, so today's going to be more of a run around, run errands, clean up the house, get organized, pack kind of day. So I have on Franco Sarto slides that I got from the Nordstrom rack. I have on SPANX leggings that I got in a Trendsend, along with a long tank that also came in a Trendsend from Evereve, and a long comfy cardigan that I got from the Limited several years ago. And that's my outfit for today, right? Right, Cena? Right? Okay, so let me share. I love these long cardigans. I'm trying to think, are they Peyton Jensen? But anyway, they are from the Evereve store, but this one came in a Trendsend box. But I do love the length of this tank. So great for, you can see it even is longer than my cardigan, which is pretty long. Great for leggings. These are just normal SPANX, nothing special about them. They're just a black legging, and I put them on with this easy slide because I was being lazy today and couldn't find my black flip-flops, so I probably would have just put those on today instead. And then this long purple cardigan. I think this is the first time I spoke today. Purple cardigan, because it's only going to be like 56 degrees today and kind of rainy and dark. So this is my outfit for Sunday. Super casual. I'm feeling just a little bit overwhelmed because I have a ton of stuff to do, and I gotta try to get most of it done today, so I don't forget any of it when I leave tomorrow morning at like 5 a.m. So, what? Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Yes? There you are. Okay, so I'm going to do my best to get as many outfits in as I can this week. And I'll see you tomorrow for another outfit. You might not see the pups again until the end of the week. So say bye for a little bit, okay? All right, see you tomorrow. Bye. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday. I totally missed Monday for outfit of the day. So sorry, left my house at 5:30 in the morning and didn't get to my hotel till 9 p.m. So I was completely wiped out and forgot to record my outfit of the day. So today is Tuesday and I have on, let's see, Lucky sandals, Not Your Daughter's jeans, my Daniel Raine top from my latest Stitch Fix, and I'm going to put on my cut from the cloth jacket that I got in a Wantable, and that is my outfit for Tuesday. So hopefully the lighting is not too bad in here. I will do my best. Let me share. So here is the Daniel Raine top. It has that cutout in the back. Hopefully you guys can see that. And these lighter wash jeans from Not Your Daughter's Jeans that I got in a trunk club. And then I have on sandals that are from Lucky that I think I got from Nordstrom. And I'm going to put on her jacket because it's going to be in the 50s for a while before it gets up to hopefully a high of 70 today. My light pink jacket from cut from the cloth that I got in a Wantable a few boxes ago. So this is my outfit. And I have no idea how this lighting is going to work out, so I'm hoping for the best. I'll get a little bit closer. And let me see if I can show you my shoes just in case those didn't come through. Here's my shoe. And these are lucky. All right, so hope everyone has a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, it is Wednesday. I had to think about it because when I travel, sometimes it feels like one really long day. And it is time for outfit of the day. And I'm not sure about this lighting, but we'll do our best here. So today I have on Express jeans, a top from White House Black Market. I have on a jacket from, I believe it's JOA, that I got in one of my Amazon Prime wardrobe style boxes. And my slides are Sam Edelman in pink. And I can't remember where I got them. I think I just got them from Nordstrom. And that is my outfit for today. So let me share. All right, so my jacket is this crushed velvet looking jacket with all of this embroidery on it in pink and grays. And then I just have on a simple t-shirt. It's like a long sleeve t-shirt. It has this little bit of crisscrossing here at the top in gray. And I tucked it into a pair of Express jeans. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but we'll try more lighting. But pretty basic. And then my pink slides. So here's my outfit. I'm hoping you guys can see. And I hope you're having a good week. Mine has been a bit crazy, and I will be back tomorrow with another outfit. Bye, everybody. Hey, guys. It is Thursday morning, time for outfit of the day. And if you can hear that beeping, welcome to hotel life. There's a fire alarm going off, but I'm told I'm not supposed to worry, so I'm not going to worry because I still have to pack all my crap. So, anyway, I have on today Vince Camuto shoes, Paige jeans, my flutter sleeve blouse from the Loft from my very last shopping haul, I believe. And I'm going to put on a jacket that I got from Macy's that I believe is Style & Company. And I think I got it for like a really great deal, like 29 bucks or something. So here is my outfit for Thursday. And hopefully that beeping is not driving you crazy like it's driving me crazy. And I know this lighting in here is bad, so we'll do our best. But this blouse has this cute little navy blue and like camel and white on this very pale greenish blue color. And it does have a little bit of a flutter sleeve. And then I just put on with dark jeans and navy blue shoes. And these, if you've watched my videos, you've probably seen before. They have zippers in the back and they kind of lace up in the front a little bit. So this is my outfit. It's supposed to get warm today, but I will be inside all day, so it won't matter. And then I am going home today. Finally, it's been a long week. And then I just have this little faux suede jacket that I'm going to wear because it has been so cold inside. I actually take another long sweater as well for inside some of these conference rooms. They're so cold. And then I'm putting this jacket on. I'm going to pick out the camel color. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has just the little snap looking things here on the lapel. It zippers up. And that's my outfit. All right, so it's almost the weekend. Hope you guys are having a great week, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Hey, everybody. It is Friday, and look who's joining me. Yes, Wyatt's joining me. I'm finally home, huh? So good to be home. It's been a super long week for me. I'm exhausted, and I still have a long day ahead of me here, but it's good to be home, right? So it's going to be in the 70s today, but rainy, I think. And I have on my Halogen slides, which I'm addicted to. These are in tan. So I do, if you've been watching my videos, I do have them in several colors, and I'm still trying to talk myself out of buying the blue, but I want them in blue too. But I have the tan ones on today. I have on Liverpool crop flares. I don't know where I got them. I feel like I bought them. I don't think I got them in a box. I have on a blouse from a Trendsend, a jacket that I just got in a box. And it's by Bagatelle. Yeah. Bagatelle. So I think I just got it. Oh, is it Natalie Attired? I think. And that's my outfit for today. Pretty easy. So let me share. So this blouse is a pretty floral. It might look red on camera, but if you look at it, it actually is pink in the background and then actually has red on top in the florals, and then has some deep gold and tan and a little bit of blue here as well, and black. So it's a pretty floral color. And this jacket is a nice drapey faux suede. It's fairly thin, so it's a nice layer to put on whenever you're cool, because this is a sleeveless top. So it's not quite in the 70s yet. It's a little bit cooler right now. And then I put on these little crop flares by Liverpool and with my slides. So I thought these were cute. They're different than what I normally wear. And I hadn't worn them yet, so I'm not sure when I bought them. I have a feeling it might have been at the end of summer last year, because I don't remember them from this year. So this is my outfit for today. And I feel like I'm a little slow on the draw today because I am a bit worn out. I got home late last night and I didn't get a lot of sleep. So forgive me. But I hope all of you had an awesome week. I will see you tomorrow for one more outfit. Hopefully I can find Xena for tomorrow. I'm already putting Wyatt to sleep. So have a good one. Bye. Hey everyone, it is Saturday and time for outfit of the day. Look who's joining us. Although she seems like an unwilling participant at the moment, she just wants treats and there's none in this room. So, sorry. So, it is Saturday and today I'm heading off to lunch with my friend. I went really casual today. It's going to be mid-60s and I have on a Michael Stars dress and a camo blazer. Both are from a Trendsend. And then I have on my slides from a recent shopping haul by Halogen to add some color. Love these. And that's basically my outfit for today. So let me share. This dress is a tank style dress. So it is sleeveless and kind of a tee-back in the back. It does have ruching the whole way down the sides and it is a midi length. So I did add the slides for color since it's all black. And then the camo blazer is a linen. It is a little bit longer. And otherwise, it's a nice weight for this weather. It does have the little cuffed sleeves here. And I thought it'd be cute with this dress since it's not really warm, but it's not cool outside either. So I'll get a little bit closer. I am kind of trying to get used to this ruching since it is ruched here in the middle and kind of right around the butt area. So it's ruched all up and down the sides here. So this is the outfit. So Wyatt's already thinking we're going to be in here for the long haul. He's in nap mode. Xena's ready for treats and there's none in the room. So thank you so much for spending some time with us today. We really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider hitting that like button. We would love it if you'd hang around and hit that subscribe button as well. And I will put all of these outfits that I wore each day down below. in case you want to check any of them out. Some of the items are older. Some of them are new. Sorry about Monday. I didn't capture that day. Apologize. But I hope you guys, until next time, have an awesome day. Bye, everybody.